Today we're going to be doing part 2 of our sheet metal, so part B. Video 11 was part A. This is video 22, which can be part B, and covers the rest of the features on our sheet metal list. So please stick around because there's a nice one right at the end, and there are a few snags that you'd have to get around. So keep watching, guys. Thanks. Hey guys, sorry to interrupt your video. I just wanted to ask you, please hit the like and subscribe button. It's going to make it easier for me to share my content with you guys in the future, and it will make it so that you don't miss anything. Cool. We are going to say new sheet metal this time. We are going to start, call it sheet metal dash B. Oh, not metal, metal B. So okay. Now as you see, all these menus on the right here are now sheet metal menus. They're not your normal part menus, the ones we usually deal with. So instead of converting to this, we have already gone there directly. So there's no extrusion and divert and all that. And your extrude function here can only cut as well. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to select our flat feature. Okay, so we're going to select sketch. Then we're going to select our datum plane. We're going to say sketch as always. Okay, we're going to do our center lines. We're going to do a square as we've done before. I'm going to say select. We are going to say 300 by 300, just to keep it all symmetrical. I'm going to say okay. Now we're going to unpause here, or a zoom if you want to call it that. We're going to make this 3 millimeters thick. Okay, then we're going to say okay. So now you have your first thin wall feature. So that's your first part of sheet metal that you need. Okay. Now the next thing you're going to do, we are going to do, I'm not going to run through the flat and the flange because we did that in part A. In part, or maybe I'll run through it later, but we're going to do, first we're going to do our bending tool. So what we're going to do is we are going to select bend, angle, regular. We're going to say done. We're going to say part bend. Say okay. Say inside radius, yes. Okay, now we're going to select the plane. We're going to select this plane here. We want to sketch that direction, so we're going to say okay, or if I didn't want to, I would say flip. Okay, we say okay. Which view would we like? Default, because that's where we're going to do our sketch. Okay, so now I'm going to do a normal sketch. Okay, now I need to put a dimension there to there, call it 25, say okay, say I'm happy with that. It is now asking me which indicate on which side of the entity to create the feature, so that side. I'm going to say okay. We are going to, we need to know which area will be fixed, so the arrow indicates the area to be fixed, so not that side. We want this to stay and the other side to bend, so we're going to say flip. We're going to say okay. No relief or with relief, always with relief, well not always but with relief. Done. Rip relief, yes. Done. 90 degrees, Yes, we want it 90 degrees. Let's see here. Now we're going to flip it the other way because we want it up. Say okay. We want the radius of the bend to be the thickness of our steel. And we can say preview. And there you can see there's the preview. So now all we do is we say okay. That's very simple, nice little feature. Can now I can show you your flat feature. So now we click here. We can use this. We go 25 here again. Okay. Our radius is now inside. So what we want to do is we want to shift it to there. We are going to have same height, same angle, and now we're going to do the other sides. So I'm going to select there to move it to the other side. Okay, we're going to say okay. Now those two sides should be identical. Okay, so now the next one we're going to do is we are going to use our flange feature. So we're going to click there. Will give us that. Same thing, we need to just change that radius. As you can see there, it's toggling that radius. Okay, we want the shape. So we can say sketch, then we can say sketch, and we can give it the shape we want. So we want it 25 as per the other ones. We still want it 90 degrees. Then we say okay. Okay, now we are going to say okay. Now we've got that flange. We are going to say flange. We're going to say insert. Edit. We're going to say mirror. I'm going to put our datums back on. I'm going to click on this datum plane. And we're going to say okay. And boom. Another one. Simple, easy. Okay, so remember, this one now mimics this one. So if I go to this one and I say edit definition and I change this to 45, okay, look there, changes it the same. If I go edit definition and I change this to 60 and I say okay, that one is also going to be 60. Okay, so now we're going to go back to the 90. Okay, as you can see, there's our mirror feature and our flanges and our flat. So now if I go define edge, define, and I go yeah instead, and I say distance, define, we can go up to a plane. I can select the back of that and we can say okay, and now we extended it to the other one. As you can see there, see the difference between the two. So again, all I do is I go this side, I select my extend feature, I select this edge, I say up to plane, I select the inside of this, and I say okay, and you can see there again it has extended it to there. So now if we go click on that one and we go edit, mirror, and we select that plane again, say okay, so we go this feature here, we say this feature here, and we say okay. Simple. Same with this one. We go edit, mirror, select this, say okay, define the edge, define, this one, distance, define, inside, say okay, and there you go. So there's your extend feature. Now the next one we're going to do is going to be your unbend feature. So we're going to click here, we're going to say regular unbend, we're going to click here, we're going to say done. It's going to say select a plane or edge to remain fixed while unbending, so we're going to select this one. We're going to say unbend all, okay, and we're going to say preview, and there would be your preview, so we're going to say okay. As you can see, there's your flat now. Okay, so if I want to go back, I just suppress this, say okay. Say now I want to put in a different type of unbend, so say we go regular, say done. Okay, so I'm going to define my fixed geometry, which is going to be this one. Then we're going to say unbend selected, yes, we're going to say yes. Then we're going to select this one. Okay, we're going to say okay, done, say okay. And there you go, there it's unbent. And then again, if I want to bend it, okay, bend back, we say fixed geometry, that one, bend selected, done, on that bend, say okay, done refs, say okay. Simple. It's a very nice feature. Depending on what you want to cut or do there, it's quite a nice feature as well. So we have done our flat, we have done our flange, we have done our flat flange or flat wall, we've done our extend, we've done our bend, we've done our unbend. So the next thing we're going to need is our corner relief. So that one generally works better on a different model, but okay, so for the corner relief, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a new model, new, we're going to say part, we're going to say solid, we're going to say okay, we're going to do our usual extrude, so we're going to say sketch, plane, sketch, center line, We're going to do a square. I'm just going to do a basic one. I'm not even going to change the dimensions for you guys. I'm just going to leave it like that because it's actually mundane and I'm wasting your time now, which I apologize. So if we go 30, we say okay. We go remove planes. We go applications, sheet metal. We go shell. We select the top there. We say okay. Done refs. We're going to go 3mm. Okay, now we're back in sheet metal, as you can see. So before we can use our whole relief here, or our corner relief, we have to use our conversions. We're going to say bends, we're going to say define. We're going to click on these four corners right here. We're going to say okay. We're going to say done sets. We're going to say okay. Now we're going to go rip, yeah, edge rip. I'm going to say done. We're going to select that one, that one, that one, and that one. So okay, done sets. Okay, there's our rips, right? So now if I want to flatten it, easy, go flat. As you've seen in the previous part of this video, we're going to fix geometry. We're going to say that one. We're going to say unbend all. Say done. We're going to say okay, and there it's flat. Okay, now our relief feature, we're going to go corner relief. Okay, we're going to say all. Okay, now you're going to have no relief, none, circular, or round. Okay, so we're going to go with circular today. So circular, thickness of our steel, and say done, and we say okay. Now, as you can see there, there's a hole. Okay, now if I want to edit this, edit definition, corner relief, define. We're going to have all four corners there, so we can just select all. Select all. I'm going to say done. We say define. With no relief, circular or round. So let's do or round now. Let's go double the thickness. And we say okay. No, thickness times 2. Say okay. Redefine the action. Yes, done sets. Say okay. As you can see there now it looks slightly different. Now it's not a round hole, it's an oblong hole. So now if I go if I go and I say bend back and I say fix geometry, all, I say done, I say okay. Okay, there you can now see the difference. Okay, if I'd made it even bigger, so if I'd gone corner relief here, edit definition, corner relief, define, select all, okay, say done, say again corner relief, define, we went all round and we went into value and we said 10 instead. Okay, we say okay, done sets, okay. See now there how big it is now. So you can make it whatever size you want. So that is how easy it is to use your sheet metal tools. If there's any other features that you guys need to know or want to know, you can just let me know. But I think now we've covered all the sheet metal except for the punching, which I'm going to do in a separate video on its own. I hope this was helpful, and I hope this makes stuff a bit easier for you. Hey guys, quick favor, if this video helped you, tap like. It tells YouTube my content is worth showing to more people. And hit subscribe if you want more quick tutorials, tips and real engineering tricks for Creo. More videos dropping every week. Have a great one, guys.